Now we look at pointer. This is a variable pointer declaration and operator. Indirect operation pointer variable initialize pointer variable accelerate to pointer chain of pointer pointer to pointer two-dimensional pointer pointer expression pointer scalar formation array of pointer void pointer. So these are the topics that we are going to look at quickly. Pointer a is equal to b equal to c is equal to the parameter says that a and b which can hold integer data b occupies 3 and c occupies 3040 is the matter. Then c0 to add them transfer and c, hence we can compare two variable. The address of the variable in the memory is I value, value stored location is r value. Pointer is nothing but simple data type in C which is special character to hold address of some memory location which is r value. C program provides AND operator to extract the value of any object. The address can be stored to pointer variable that can be manipulated. So star PR is a pointer to an integer. Now this can only store address, not the common value. So the following statement assigns the address of location from n to p. So PTR is equal to star n. So the pointer is a location, so context defined since the pointer points to a location, the content of the location is obtained by prefixing pointer variable star, also called the indirectional or dereferencing operator, star pointer variable. Something like a is equal to a star PTR, PTR is equal to star a. So that would do that. Star PTR for pointer location. So if name of the variable bytes in the memory address of the variable. So as the memory address are numbered, they can be assigned to some value star PTR which hold the address of the variable. We can access any element from number PTR. We can say PTR plus pointer equal to 1. Diagrammatically it would be shown as the name of the variable bytes in the memory address of the variable. PTR itself is zero, therefore it has location in the memory. Here we can say that PTR is a pointer variable which currently pointer which holds one value 7. Accessing the address of the variable. The actual location of the variable memory is system dependent, therefore address of variable is immediately how can we store variable. This can be done with the help of AND operator. The operator immediately presses the variable returning value associated with, like p is equal to AND quantity, would assign 5000 to variable p, and the AND operator can be remembered as address of. The AND operator can be used simple variable element the following equal to and pointing a constant and pointing array and so on. So you cannot use like that. The star tells the variable pointer is a pointer pt and needs a memory element pt name to variable. So integer star p, integer star row number, character star name, character star salary. So given below are some examples of pointer. Create a pointer variable capable of character type variable, capable of holding address of character type variable. The address and operation. Once the pointer variable is declared, it can be made to point to variable by assigning the address of that variable. The address of variable can be extracted using the pointer, and the expression having AND operator generates the address it precedes thus and some produces the address of variable in the memory. This address can be assigned to any pointer variable in appropriate type. Integer x star p is equal to AND x. Declare x as an integer variable and p is a pointer variable. So sometimes you have star p, sometimes you don't have star p. So that kind of create operation. So this is not an initial p but not star p. So if you have not initialized anything, then you have to use star p, otherwise you can use just p later on. So indirect operation. Pointer variable. The actual address of the variable is known, it can be determined whether the address of variable is of. If you have pointer starts at the pointer variable, pt names for memory location. Access your variable through pointer. So integer star q, I star n, then here I is equal to q, n is equal to so I points to an integer containing address. In the fourth statement we assign the variable to another variable and that access variable through n. Chain of pointer. Pointer variable which contains address of variable that could not be another pointer. Thus pointer contains pointer address and given below. Two-dimensional array model. Two-dimensional arrays can be defined as pointer to a group of contiguous one-dimensional array. A two-dimensional declaration can be written as data star PUR expression 2 rather than data type expression 1 expression 2. Data type star PTR expression 1 expression replace the data of array and in the declaration data underscore type refers to data type of array. PUR is the name of the pointer variable. Array is the corresponding array name and expression 1 to if are positive values of integer expression. So one-dimensional array x plus one-dimensional array x plus 9 dimensional array. Consider array star 2 rather than float 2 0. In the first declaration, T is defined as a group of contiguous 2 dimensional 20 hence T points to 20 arrays, T plus 1 point to second and so on. In an individual array within a multi-dimensional can be accessed repeatedly. Suppose that x is a 2-dimensional integer array having 10 rows and 20 columns is direct. Pointer expression like other variable pointer values can be used as arithmetic comparison operators. Y is equal to star p1 star p2 multiply star p1. Then pointer incremental and scale function p1 is equal to p2 plus 2 p1 plus 1 and so on. Remember how the expression is p1 plus 1 will cause the pointer to move to the next value of the type. For example, integer type in so 2000 it will be move 280 and 2801 is where increment of the value increase the length of the data type to 0.1. This is called scale factor. The IBM PC has this scale: character integer, float is 4, long integer is 4, double is 8. Remember this chart is a all fit chart. So character is 1, integer is 2, float is 4, long. Pointer and arrays. When arrays is declared, the compiler locates the base address sufficient amount of storage to contain all dimensional of array. The base address is located in the first element. The compiler also declares the array. The array is declared as static int 5 1 2 3 4 5. Pointer and character string. As we have seen in the string is a array of character ending the null character, right stress 0 while this will occur the array. Like one dimensional array, string can be accessed via pointer to a first character of the string. The value of the string is a constant and the address is thus appropriate to say that string is a constant pointer. So character country is equal to India, character star country is equal to India. Each is a variable to string India. The second is a pointer variable that points to the letter I in India somewhere in the memory. So print as country. Remember that print string is S, print integer is T. So write a program to test whether it's the palindrome or not. So include studio.h, coding.h, stdlib.h. These are the three. Program to test. This is the command type. So slash. What is slash? Main. Character star palindrome integer or character integer character function of a memory prototype. Palindrome is character stack malloc 20 into size of the character. So we are already going there to find out the size of the character. So memory allocation, pointer f, enter the word. Do gets here plain I is here, I plus plus while c is not equal to n, I is equal to 1, plain string count if palindrome count is equal to 1. If entered word is non-referential. Short int palindrome, correct parent int length, then short and then palindrome. So word is identify the following pointer arithmetic array to a pointer string. So this is a pointer and a character string. So character string we are using to find out whether this is palindrome or not. So we are using palindrome character star malloc. So first we are allocating memory, and then while do this get ch palindrome I is equal to c I plus plus while c is not equal to n, and then I is equal to I minus 1. So palindrome I goes 0, count I, count equal to I, palindrome plain count. So any pointer string, arrays may contain pointer, but we can form an array string referring to a string array, each array. So sort in the alphabetical order using arrays to a pointer, array of a pointer. So multinational in terms of array. If we look at the code, if you don't go deep here, studio.h, go to string.h, void represent character, void write output character star int, recorder character star int. So main character star country s int for I equal to 0, s small than country I, character malloc size of the character, printf enter 5 countries in the line, read country 5 5 5, void input country int. So just remember that we have 15 into size of the character. Then int scanf country I plus 1, write void, enter 5 countries in the reordered list. So you can do this using the string command. String command is a high level command and many other libraries, that one of the libraries that kind of exist here. We cannot do this. I don't remember this how I did it to the VB, like arranging some cell, sorting some cell. I think we would use some sort function or something like that. Array of a pointer and dimensional void pointer. So void pointer is a convention you see for raw data. The compiler has no idea what type of it is, repeatedly works to. So integer IP void p, the p does not point to void. And C++ you need a pointer, you can use another pointer for reference. You have character star function to expect a void, you don't need to cast in it C, but in C++ you can use void anytime to any kind of pointer. So that was all about the pointer chapter. Now the thing that I would want to look at is sorting things on pointer and palindrome on pointer. So those are the two things I like.